Welcome back. We often hear experts say that kitchens and bathrooms are the two most important upgrades that you can make to improve the value of your home. Well, the focal point of a bathroom, the shower. And Kate Spencer of Tile Outlets of America is here to give us some shower inspiration with mosaics. Okay, I just redid my shower, as you know.
Yes.
It's an incredible difference. I mean, it's such a wow factor.
And it's such an easy change, right?
It is.
I mean, just making a couple changes in a bathroom, in a shower, even just doing one wall in a shower or two will totally change the look of it.
Okay, so give us some design inspiration.
Yes.
Let's start with glass.
So glass, again, lots of options. Glass will give you, solid colors, multiple colors. You can use that, anywhere on a shower walls, you can use glass mosaics. So like this is one that's creative in design and shape. So it kind of gives you a little ornament. We call them like ornaments,
This screams Suncoast. It's like ocean
yes.
blue.
It's a perfect color for Suncoast. And I think that's really cool because then, look at this. This is one wall done in a aqua glass.
Is that a family shower?
In a shower. That's a large shower.
That is a huge shower.
But if you just take one wall and just put one color of glass in it, look how it makes that room look spa-like.
Yeah, oh, it's gorgeous.
Again, focal point.
Ooh.
Remember focal points. You're walking down this hallway and woo, there's that inviting tub, and then boom, you have that beautiful, glass on the walls. And again, this whole wall is done in glass. It's not everyone's taste, I'm sure, on some things, but if you look at it, sometimes it really, stands out.
Look how subtle that is. I like that.
So that's just adding a glass mosaic in a shower that has stone. And here, just simple mosaic, just a border around, pulls out a little bit of the metal.
Yeah, that's fun.
And you can have fun with that. This is showing you two different mosaics, so don't be afraid to combine two different colors of a like mosaic. So there's one that's outlining along the top, and then there's one that's along the bottom. They're the same mosaic, two different colors.
Wow.
So it gives you a little bit of focal point there. And again, I love this bathroom. It's got a mosaic on the floor. It's got a mosaic on the back wall. It's got subways on the sides. I mean, combine them all together, and it really stands out. Glimmer, shimmer, glimmer, I call that.
Glimmer, yeah.
When you have those mosaics that have a little bit of that shine to it. And look at that. I mean, a turquoise, cabinet, and that shine just is amazing.
And look at all the different surfaces there.
Yeah, do the front of your tub, as you know, is a great exploration of that bathroom to pull into the backsplash of your shower and your tub area.
All right, very, very neat. Okay, so that's the glass look. Now tell us more about the pebble look.
Okay, so pebbles come in a lot of different finishes. You can get pebbles in a flat finish. You can get pebbles in a round finish. And I think with pebbles, it's earthy. They're real stones in most cases. So
that obviously is the real pebble.
I mean, so that's, look at that on a back wall, and it kind of, to me, it brings the outdoors inside.
Yeah. Are those done individually?
They're mesh mounted.
Oh, cool.
So, like this is a mesh mounted.
That's cool.
All the walls in a shower.
Wow.
So it's really kind of cool.
And so that will have a texture that you feel.
Those will be round. So those are round pebbles that you can walk on. Take it outside. Look at that, a bathroom shower outside, with your little surfboard. That's all Suncoast right there.
And you created the area with the floor.
Yeah, you defined it.
And defined it. These, again, are marble pebbles, so they're flat, but they make a great backsplash. Again, multiple colors, multiple, feelings. Some are round, some are flat.
It's fun,
some are
too.
marble,
That's
and I call them whimsical.
So is there a difference then between pebble and stone?
Yeah, so pebbles are truly pebbles. They are actually gathered up from all different parts of the
I
world.
didn't know that.
Yeah, so certain pebbles are made to be mesh mounted for those pebbles. Marble is actually cut into pebble-like sizes. So they create that pebble look in marble.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what would be a stone look then.
Stone look. So
Ooh,
these
I
are
like
like stone looks as well. And again, combining a little bit of metal with a stone, with a glass, so you get a little bit of contrast there.
Oh, I love this.
Yeah, herringbone.
I love this
They're
design.
so awesome.
You spend so much time in your shower.
Enjoy it.
You start your day or end your day in the shower.
Okay, now you also mentioned doing a tile wall. How is that different than doing, just a bit of mosaic or glass?
So some people want to maybe keep it more, minimalistic. They might want to take the floor tile that they're using and take it on up the walls.
Okay.
So you're going to see a lot of that look as well, where this is a beautiful Carrera look in large format tiles. So they're not a mosaic, they're not small pieces, they're large panels that are done on the walls and taken. And again, this is a wood floor in that with Carrera on the walls.
And
so
look
just
at
keep that
how
in mind.
monochromatic this is. That is beautiful.
This is the floor, the walls, and the shower, all in the same family of the series, and how they did a different finish on the floor to a different finish on the walls. And it looks amazing. And
it
it doesn't look
complemented that
overdone.
It
and it
complemented the
complements it.
view that you have too through that window.
The view alone. And it makes the space look a lot bigger too when you're keeping that
And
continuity.
And think about how clean it is. You know, you're not painting
Right.
walls, and you're keeping it clean. Again, taking your decorative to the floor and then taking things up the walls. It makes it clean. Wood, of
I love
course.
this.
You know.
We are addicted to wood.
I know, I'm addicted to wood.
We love wood tile.
Wood is so fun though because there's so many different options, and again, it's on the floor, it's on the walls, it's not overdone. And again, a wall tile with different dimensions in it. This has little textures, so you don't feel afraid to not do textures because I think that's really important as well.
Okay, and now what is a tile mosaic?
So a tile mosaic would be a solid piece of tile that's actually put on the walls. So it could be a stone, it could be a porcelain, it could be a ceramic.
Okay.
It could be anything that's in that family.
But yet
it's
it's
not
still
a glass
one tile.
and not yes.
Yes. Okay.
So
And
you could
again,
get-
so many different options for that. I love the fact that there's virtually nothing you can't do on a wall.
Nothing you can't do on
so
a
that
wall.
when you're talking about a shower, you can offset it in a
Absolutely.
million different ways.
But you can help us find those ways.
Absolutely.
Yes, I know you are. Don't be overwhelmed when you see all these amazing ideas because there are designers at Tile Outlets of America to create that custom look with you. Visit them in Tampa, Fort Myers, and of course right here in Sarasota on Cattleman Road. And you can check it all out online at tileoutlets.com. We'll be right back.